Russia, total aircraft, 4,182. Israel, total aircraft, 601. Russia, fighter aircraft, 773. Israel, fighter aircraft, 241. Russia, dedicated attack aircraft, 744. Israel, dedicated attack aircraft, 32. Russia, transports aircraft, 444. Israel, transports aircraft, 15. Russia, trainers aircraft, 524. Israel, trainers aircraft, 153. Russia, special mission aircraft, 147. Israel, special mission aircraft, 23. Russia, aerial tankers, 19. Israel, aerial tankers, 11. Russia, helicopters, 1,531. Israel, helicopters, 126. Russia, attack helicopters, 537. Israel, attack helicopters, 48. Russia, tank strength, 12,566. Israel, tank strength, 2,200. Russia, armored vehicles, 151,641. Israel, armored vehicles, 56,290. Russia, self-propelled artillery, 6,575. Israel, self-propelled artillery, 650. Russia, towed artillery, 4,336. Israel, towed artillery, 300. Russia, mobile rocket projectors, 3,887. Israel, mobile rocket projectors, 300. Russia, Navy fleet strength, 598. Israel, Navy fleet strength, 67. Russia, aircraft carriers, 1. Israel, aircraft carriers, 0. Russia, helicopter carriers, 0. Israel, helicopter carriers, 0. Russia, submarines, 70. Israel, submarines, 5. Russia, destroyers, 15. Israel, destroyers, 0. Russia, frigates, 11. Israel, frigates, 0. Russia, corvettes, 86. Israel, corvettes, 7. Russia, patrol vessels, 59. Israel, patrol vessels, 45. Russia, mine warfare, 49. Israel, mine warfare, 0. Russia, reaching military age annually, 1,278,198. Israel, reaching military age annually, 124,808. Russia, active personnel, 830,900. Israel, active personnel, 173,000. Russia, reserve personnel, 250,000. Israel, reserve personnel, 465,000. Russia paramilitary forces, 250,000. Israel, paramilitary forces, 8,000. Russia, total population, 142,021,981. Israel, total population, 8,914,885. Russia, defense budget, $82,600,000,000. Israel, defense budget, $24,300,000,000. Russia, external debt, $500 billion. Israel, external debt, $135 billion. Russia, square land area, 17,098,242 kilometers. Israel, square land area, 20,770 kilometers.